Bicknell, Indiana city leaders have been dealing with an illegal dog breeding issue, but a new ordinance might help. News 10 Bureau Chief Gary Bryan explains how and what other problems the ordinance addresses.
For the last few years, Bicknell city leaders have been taking steps to help clean up the small town. They are now working on an issue that's been bugging residents for years. A new ordinance takes on dog breeding and kenneling. Residents have been complaining for years of properties setting up shop in their neighborhoods. Most of the times, folks setting up the dogs do not live on site.
They just left dogs there to basically run free and roam free, and it's obviously an animal control issue.
These properties tend to fall into disrepair. Residents approached the city with concerns of another property being set up. That's when the ordinance was passed.
The owners would have some time to do something about it, or they can get a ticket and appearance in city court.
Another problem the ordinance handles is abandoned animals. When someone moves out of a home, they may leave an animal behind. The ordinance gives the city power to be able to get the animal. It also spells out how the person who left the animal can be fined, all in hopes of cutting down on animal neglect and quality of life issues in Bicknell.
And we're by no means trying to put anybody out of business, but we can't have circumstances where this type of activity is going on in residential situations and is causing trouble for the neighbors and attracting vermin and all that. We just can't have that go on.
The new ordinance passed quickly and is now law. Working from home in Vincennes, Gary Bryan, News 10.